A massive update is coming this November 2025, and it could put nearly $4,983 directly into the bank accounts of millions of US citizens. Yes, you heard that right. A one-time relief or refund-style payment is being processed through IRS-verified systems, and it's linked to new federal cost of living adjustments and refund recalculations designed to help offset rising prices. In this video, we'll break down who qualifies, how to check if you're eligible, the exact payment schedule, and the steps you must follow so you don't miss your money. What is the $4,983 direct deposit program? This November's $4,983 direct deposit isn't a new stimulus check or free giveaway. It's part of an expanded federal adjustment program aimed at catching up unpaid or delayed refund credits, issuing supplemental inflation adjustments for certain taxpayers, recalculating 2024 tax year over withholding refunds. The IRS and Treasury use existing refund frameworks to deliver payments directly to bank accounts of eligible citizens, minimizing paper checks and delays. In simpler terms, this is money you already earned or overpaid, being returned under the new November 2025 schedule. Why $4,983? Understanding the amount. You may notice the number $4,983 appearing across news and government documents. That's the average recalculated refund for qualifying individuals in this payment wave. However, actual amounts will vary. Here's how it breaks down: single filers, up to $3,400. Married couples filing jointly, up to $6,800. Low-income or senior filers, with credits between $4,000 and $4,983 on average. High-income earners, adjusted proportionally or receive offset credits, so the $4,983 figure is an average upper threshold for the November 2025 disbursement, depending on income and eligibility. Eligibility criteria. Who can expect this payment? According to IRS and Treasury guidance, you must meet all or most of the following: be a U.S. citizen or lawful resident with a valid Social Security number. Have filed a 2024 tax return for income earned in 2024. Have reported earned income under $100,000, single, or $200,000, joint. Chose direct deposit on your return for refunds. Have no outstanding federal tax debt or garnishment holds. Certain groups automatically qualify: Social Security recipients with taxable benefits, veterans receiving federal pension adjustments, low-income families claiming the earned income tax credit. If you meet these points, you're likely in the target group for the November 2025 release. Payment dates and schedule. Now the part everyone's waiting for: when the $4,983 direct deposits are coming. The IRS has mapped out an expected disbursement window: Batch 1, deposits from November 4th to November 8th, 2025. Batch 2, deposits from November 12th to November 18th, 2025. Batch 3, paper checks, for non-DD filers, mailed November 20th to December 5th, 2025. Here's what determines your date: if your 2024 tax return was processed before August 2025, you're likely in Batch 1. If processed between August and October, expect Batch 2. If your refund was paper-based or adjusted manually, you may be in Batch 3. Keep your direct deposit info current. Outdated routing numbers are the number one cause of refund delays every year. How to check your payment status. To find out if you're included in the $4,983 November 2025 wave, visit irs.gov. Where's my refund? Enter your Social Security number, filing status, and exact refund amount. Look for the update line labeled Refund Recalculation Processed or Additional Payment Authorized. Status messages typically update overnight, once per day. If you file jointly, both partners may need to verify their direct deposit account information. If the status says sent, expect funds within 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank. IRS instructions to avoid payment delays. The IRS has emphasized these do's and don'ts for November 2025 payouts. Double-check your routing and account numbers for direct deposit. Keep your address current if expecting a paper check. File any missing 2024 return immediately. Unfiled returns mean no payout. Avoid duplicate filing or amended returns during November. It can trigger a hold. Don't call the IRS until at least 21 days after the payment sent status appears. Following these instructions ensures smoother delivery without accidental reprocessing. Seniors and low-income recipients. For seniors and low-income citizens, this payment acts as a supplemental credit adjustment. Seniors receiving Social Security, SSDI, or SSI with taxable income are automatically reviewed for inclusion. Low-income workers who claimed refundable credit such as EITC or the Savers Credit are prioritized. Payments go directly to their bank account tied to SSA or IRS records. These groups form the majority of recipients in the $4,983 average payment group. Common reasons payments are delayed or reduced. Even with perfect eligibility, some payments may face holds or reductions. Typical causes include 4 o'clock outdated bank details or closed accounts, credit card federal debt offsets, student loans, back taxes, child support, filing errors or mismatched Social Security numbers, banknote with $ shared accounts with joint filers needing verification, gear hash manual IRS identity protection checks. If your refund is delayed, don't panic. Delays of 7 to 14 days are common during high-volume months like November. Key steps to prepare before November. To make sure you're ready, confirm your banking information on file with the IRS. Reconcile your 2024 return if you amended anything. Sign up for IRS Direct Pay notifications to track payment progress. Keep your email and mobile info updated on your IRS and SSA accounts. Doing this before the first week of November ensures you won't miss your deposit window. Let's wrap this up. The November 2025 $4,983 direct deposit program is real, automatic, and targeted toward eligible citizens based on their 2024 tax filings. If you've filed your taxes, maintained correct direct deposit information, and met income and residency requirements, you're likely on the list. Stay proactive. Check your refund status weekly, and make sure your banking details are accurate. Speech balloon, tell us in the comments below, have you checked your payment status yet? And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can secure their benefits.